Hello guys, today again I am Madhu Tiwari with the last part of present tense is present perfect continuous tense. So let's start today's video now. Students, we can see here present means the this time. Present means the this time, and the perfect continuous tense and the perfect continuous tense. Continuous means the continuity of an action, means the continuous. You can see here the rules. First of all, the definition. Present perfect continuous means the present perfect continuous is for the continuity of an action till the end, but it had begun with a certain point of time, but it is going on continue with the future. That means the present perfect continuous tense, and the helping verb will be here in the perfect only, or always we have to write has or have in the perfect means the has or have, and continuous means the been ing, and the in the continuous tense we always write in earlier also verb first form plus ing. That means the continuous formula. That video I have uploaded for the continuous tense, present continuous tense means the verb first form plus ing plus object. Only you have to write the perfect formula has or have, perfect and been. This is a new one, and always you have to write as earlier I have told you, and I have uploaded my video. So let's start now. This means this tense is used to express an action that had begun before a certain time. That means the अभी थोड़ी देर पहले शुरू हुआ है, but it is continuing till the end. मतलब वो अभी तक चलते जा रहा है, उसे हम लोग बोलते हैं present perfect continuous tense. Means the present perfect continuous tense. Understanding? So the formulas is very simple. For the perfect you can remind and you can set in your mind the formulas like this also. Perfect means the has or have, continuous tense means the verb first form plus ing. That means you have to write the present perfect continuous tense. That means the only you have to write here subject plus has or have plus been means the perfect continuous, and verb first form is for and plus ing is for continuous tense. I think you all are understanding. So again I will tell you the definition for set in your mind. This means the present perfect continuous means this tense is used to express an action means the अभी जो काम हो रहा है हुआ है वो अभी तक चले जा रहा है. अभी 5 मिनट पहले शुरू हुआ है, बट वो कंटिन्यू चले जा रहा है. वो आधे घंटे 1 घंटे तक वो कंटिन्यू चलते जा रहा है. उसे बोलते हैं हम लोग प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. दैट हैड बिगन बिफोर अ सर्टेन पॉइंट इन but the past and continue up to the end. So question is examples are I have been going, मैं जा रही हूँ, मैं जा चुकी हूँ. मतलब वो अभी निकली है और चलते जा रही है. नेक्स्ट इज माई फादर हैज़ बीन वेटिंग फॉर यू फॉर हाफ एन आवर. माई फादर हैज़ बीन वेटिंग फॉर यू for half an hour. That means the subject is my father. Has or have, has with noun we always write here has. Been is for perfect. Waiting for is for helping verb verb. Ing is for continuous, and for you is our object, and for half an hour is telling the present perfect continuous tense. Full of these sentences means are here. So one thing also, for or since is important in present perfect continuous tense. फोर और सिंस, बिकॉज यू कैन सी द काम जो अभी आपका एक्शन इज एक्सप्रेस एंड एक्शन, आपका जो एक्शन एक्सप्रेस कर रहा है वो अभी 5 मिनट पहले शुरू हुआ है. बिफोर 5 मिनट्स इट हैज़ स्टार्टेड, बट दो वो आपका कंटिन्यू चलते जा रहा है, मीन्स द वो आपका प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस है. और उसके लिए आपको यूज़ करना होता है फोर और सिंस. जैसे यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल लिखा है एज आई रिटन हियर, फॉर हाफ एन आवर, मतलब वो सोना स्टार्ट किए 5 मिनट पहले, वो कंटिन्यू सोते जा रहे हैं. दैट मीन्स द फॉर हाफ एन आवर. सॉरी, वेट कर रहे हैं 5 मिनट पहले से और अभी तक वो करते जा रहे हैं फॉर हाफ एन आवर. अंडरस्टैंडिंग? सो स्टूडेंट्स, फोर is for and since. For and since. How will you understand the what have to write before the since, or before which subject, before which object? So I will tell you, for is used only for short term of period. As I written here, for half an hour is our short term period, and since is for our. Since how will we write the since for the present perfect tense, continuous tense? We will write here for the since only for the long term of period if the date and years are mentioned in the question. That means you have to write in answer since. Not for. For is for our short term period, and since is for our long term of period, and for is for our short term. Understand? So how you will write here, you can see the examples. Use of for or since. We use for with period of time, as for half an hour, for 2 days, for a week, for 10 minutes, for 2 years, for a long time is for since. And since, how will you write the since before object? Since is for 7 a.m. if the time is mentioned, and since is for morning if the time is mentioned. Since is for date, before date. Since is for before year. Since before long. Since before you came, मतलब कि आप जब तक आए. Since, I think you all are understanding. That means the point of time. If the time is pointed for you, that means you have to write since. And for is for short term period, the period of time with the period of time. And the since is for, again I am telling, 7 a.m. if the time is mentioned, and the continue of an action is going, and the notice and the focus on the time. That means you have to write the before object since. Understanding? So let's start next one. In the negative, how you will write the negative? Examples are also here. He has been playing for 3 hours. So you see here for. How I have written here, he has been. Has is for our helping verb. Students, before he or she or it, before he, she and it, we will write has. And before I, we, you, they, means the have. With I, we, you, they, we will write have, and he, she, it is for our, and noun is our has and noun. Understand? So he has been playing for 3 an hour. 3 an hour. For is for our time mentioned here, for short term time, for short term of period. So he is our subject, has is our helping verb, been is for perfect, playing is for continuous tense, and the 3 for 3 hours is our object. For 3 hours is our object, and this is compulsory that the time is mentioned. That means that you have to write the 4. You have to write the 4. So next one is she has been sleeping for half an hour. She has been sleeping for half an hour means the continuous वो सोते जा रही है. She has been sleeping for half an hour. She is our subject. He or has or have, we have to write here. Been with she, we always write has. As I written here, mention here, she with she we will write has. Been is for perfect, for that this is the sign of the perfect. Playing is our continuous. For 3 half an hour, playing for 3 half an hour, that means the continuous. This is the present perfect continuous tense. You can measure the sentences with also this type, this method also. Yes. So next one is she has been teaching there. She has been teaching there since 1947. As I told you before, she has been teaching there since 1947. That means the year is mentioned here, and then notice the point. That means the here you will write here since. Before object you will write here since. Understand? She is our subject. He or has or have we have to write here. With she we always write here has. Been is for perfect, and perfect means the perfect. Teaching is our verb with the teaching is our continuous, and there since 1947 this is our object, and since is important in present perfect continuous tense. Understand? In negative how you will write here? Let's see. Subject plus has or have plus not. Subject plus has or have plus not. Negative for not, plus been is for our perfect. Verb is our helping verb, first form. Ing is our continuous. Object is our last one. So let's see the sentences. I have not been going. My father has not been waiting for half an hour. For students, see here. My father has not been waiting for half an hour. For half an hour is our present perfect continuous. This is the sign of the present perfect continuous tense. Been is also the sign, and after been means you have written here the, if there will be written here in the question, the continuous form of helping continuous form of verb. That means this is the present perfect continuous tense. So next one is for my father has not been waiting or sleeping for half an hour. मेरे पापा एक घंटे से आधे घंटे से इंतज़ार नहीं कर रहे हैं, सो रहे या फिर इंतज़ार नहीं कर रहे हैं. Understanding? So next one is interrogative tense. Has or have will be first, as I told you before in the videos. As has or have will be first in interrogative tenses. Always in interrogative, if there will be any one sentence, any one tense, if there will be the past or future, you have to write in interrogative only like this. This helping verb will be first, and then subject plus been is for our perfect. Verb first form plus and ing plus question mark. Question mark is our important part. Understanding? So have they is our subject. Been, have they been. They, with they we always write have because they is our plural, have is our plural. Wait is our first form of verb, and ing is for continuous and with question mark. For half an hour, they have been waiting for you. This is our question mark. That means that this is in negative form. Has my father been sleeping for half an hour? क्या मेरे पापा इतनी देर से सो रहे हैं, आधे घंटे से सो रहे हैं, and the question mark. The next one is negative interrogative. Negative interrogative means the plus of both will be combined here. Has or have, as I written here, has or have plus subject plus not, as I written in interrogative form. Not, been like this here, been, verb first form plus ing, also here ing, and the question mark also here question mark. That means the those all in the negative form, rule number second, in the negative form of rule and the interrogative form of rule will be right here. That means the negative interrogative tense. And the let's see the how will be the questions with this. Have they not been waiting for you half an hour? Have they not? Have is our question, is for our interrogative tense, and the helping verb. They is our subject. Not is for our negative, and both will be same as I written here in the only in the negative form. Waiting for you half an hour and the question mark. I think you all are understanding, and you have to practice more. Students, I am telling you again and again, practice is more important than the if you will learn, if you will try to learn the rules, that means the not method for the English, to learn the English. Only the method you have to apply only for the practice. You have to practice the practice the rules, and if you will too much practice with the rules, with this type of rules, you will do easily, and you will learn the formulas, and you have to try to do in at your home with the exercises, practice exercises also. I will upload the video, next video, with the all present tenses, present indefinite tense, present and indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and with the present perfect continuous tense. I will upload the video with the exercises of those all. I have done with the next day or within 2 days only. Okay, thank you.